Hello guys, I'm Diwakar back with another new cool video, and in this cool video, I'm going to show how you can install Google Assistant on your JIO phone. Before getting started, there's a mega giveaway live in our channel, so from the link in the description box, you can participate in the giveaway and win cool prizes like JIO phone, tripod, mic, power banks, VRs, etc. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to update your JIO phone. So if you don't know how to update your JIO phone, I have already made a video on that. So go and check out that video. And after downloading the update package, you have to install that update package. When you click on OK, it will go under updating process. It will take up to 5 minutes. Be patient and watch till the end. After the updating process, your phone boots up into the latest version of JIO phone, and here you are to test the latest Google Assistant in JIO phone. Hit on the menu button, and here you can see your beloved Google Assistant. Give all the permissions to your Google Assistant by clicking on Allow button, and that's it. You are ready to go with your Google Assistant. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to participate in the giveaway. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, let me know in the comment section, and I will meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.